Let's go check out what Five Below has for the season. So they have like some cute Valentine's items along with some other new things. And so these right here, I thought these were so cute. 5.55 for these little stools, and they kind of have like that little Sherpa fabric. They had a cherry and they had a strippery printed mine. They had those little fridge things at my Five Below. So they had the boba one, then they had the heart one, and just a lot of cute little things. And like I said before, the Valentine's items are really great for all year, depending on like your aesthetics, your style, and stuff in your home. They had some Hello Kitty finds in at my Five Below, so the little mini backpacks. They had a few of those options. They had some more ones too. In the back, they had like some cute pajama sets that you can get. So from the nightgowns to the night shirts right there, or you can wear those as t-shirts if you want like a really big oversized t-shirt. Cute little throw blankets and like the matching pillows, different things that you can grab. This right here I thought was so cute. So it's a heart-shaped blanket, but then it has like the little slot for your feet. I thought that was cute. Or, just something to accent your bed or to drape over like a chair or something like that because of like the heart shape. I just think that's super cute. The like tie-dye looking ones. This collection I think is so cute. Both of these collections I think are so cute. So the little strawberries, the mushrooms, the different things like that. So that's like a cute little container. You can use that like a vase. You can use it like to store things and stuff. And then these little ones right here, the little bag ones, I think these are so cute, and they have some other options for those too. They had like the little mushroom lamp, and I think that one is cute. Just a lot of cute like girly items in F5 Below. They have like slippers, the sweatshirts. So these are like lightweight sweatshirts because they're not heavy because they are inexpensive, but a cute little lightweight sweatshirt. I like the pink one the most, just a little heart and the bows on that. And then of course they have like the other t-shirts, different things like that. Just a lot of cute things that you can too make a cute gift basket. I'm like the gift basket. I love gift basket. So a lot of these you can put together and make a cute little gift basket. They have like all of the Valentine's candies, different things like that. The packaging on these are super cute. If you like Swedish fish, try the Swedish fish friends. So it's like Swedish fish, but like different colors, kind of like slight, different flavors and stuff like that. Candles, they have a few options in those right there. I don't know how many wicks this is or how it smells because it wasn't open, but a nice big candle. The name of this scent sounds good, so I'm thinking it smells good. These right here, so they have like the cute little ombre, and they are glass too. So those are cute. They have the little charm bracelets and stuff. So they have like the zodiac sign charm bracelets. So if you're like into that and stuff like that, you can grab those at Five Below right now. They have some other options too for charm bracelets that you can grab right now for the season. So a lot of these, like I said, you can toss in the gift basket, like especially if you're somebody likes fashion jewelry, stuff like that. Um, this right here, so clean talk. So if you want like some cute colored cleaning items and stuff like that, they have the scrub brushes with the handles, the little dispensers on them, the sponges, the bathroom things like the soap dispensers. Or you could use that by your kitchen cabinet because it has like the little scrubby one in it. The pet toys, super cute. So these are for your pets, the little lips and stuff like that. Thought those were super cute. And then they have some other cute pet options too. Oh, you know who has some cute pet options? Petco. So many cute. They have like satin pajamas and stuff for your kids, for your pets. But anyway, back to this. So candles, different things. They have these jumbo erasers I thought were cute, just to leave out like on your desk and stuff like that. Those little keychains, those are so cute. I had grabbed some of the blank ones from Dollar Tree to do DIYs on, but those are already done. Super cute. Water bottles. Five Below always has a ton of cute water bottles and stuff like that. I thought these were cute because you get two different options, and then like that kind of like that pillowy look on the outside. Thought that was cute. But yeah, just a lot of cute things for the season. So that soft girl Valentine's kind of look. These little garbage cans go with the other containers, so you can get the strawberry containers, you can get the strawberry garbage can to match that if you want. More tumblers, different options to get the little food containers. These are super cute because they have like the little characters on it. You can put a little sandwich. You can put other things in there too because they're deep. They're like a deep size, so you could fit two sandwiches in there, or you could fit something else in there and just have like that cute little sandwich shape. This little glass container, so they have other few food storage options too. But five, they have like a big set too that you can get. More Hello Kitty little mini bags that you can get, and then they have plain ones too at Five Below that you can grab, fanny packs, all kind of different things. I just think the Hello Kitty little mini ones are super cute. These mirrors are great because they have the storage in the back, so you can put the brushes in the back, and then they came in a few different colors too for those. These t-shirts I thought were super cute. So if you're looking for a cute t-shirt, they have two different prints in this. Well, they had two at mine. They might have more, but baddies don't get saddies. I thought that was cute. More things that you can toss like in those gift baskets. So they had Barbie. They had different like sets, like little makeup sets, different things like that. Beauty products and different things that you can grab. The little scents and stuff like that. So this is the other shirt. Every day is a sleigh, and then it has like the cute little character on there and stuff. Thought those were cute. Ton of the cute little t-shirts, different things like that. Five Below always has like these things. The beauty products, all that. These are more cute little charm bracelets that you can grab if you like little fashion jewelry, and these are good too for stacking. So you get the little charm bracelet and you stack it with like some other bracelets and stuff like that. And you could do like a cute little moment with those. They have, like I said, a lot of cute little beauty sets and stuff. These cups I think is so cute. So they have a little saucer, just something to rest it on. Just cute, you know. And they have options too at Target too. So they have like the little lamps, they have different things. They have the Hello Kitty little lights, the projectors. There's a lot of cute things. The sand one right here. They had that one in a few different options. They have this one right here. Just a lot of cute light options. The little LED lights for the room. So they keep coming out with different like shapes and styles and stuff for these. So they had like those that you can grab. A little light up bear lamp. They had before they had more colors of those and stuff. But yeah, they had that one left there. They have like the zodiac sign projection lamp. Just a ton of lighting options at Five Below right now that you can grab. I thought this was cute. So it's an inflatable little bow pillow. So that's something, so you can like inflate it, deflate it as you need it, what have you, and stuff. The little basket storage options, they have some cute options in those too if you're looking. The colors are super cute, like nice little spring colors. So if you like to organize and different things like that, these baskets I think are cute, and they have different shapes and stuff too. So if you wanted that, you wanted this, and then the wood details on those I think go really nice together with the colors, and it's just like a nice, and it doesn't just have to be for spring. You can use those really all year, just because it's a nice simple color. But yeah, a lot of those, they're little lights, so they have those in different shapes. The spring one is to have a lot of cute little boba ones. So you can get the fridge, you can get the lights, you can get the other little one right here, the little cowgirl one is cute, the little electric boba warmer. So that's a wax warmer. So you can grab that. They have see more of those cute little purse vases. I think those are so cute. So they have a few different prints in those, and then you can see like the details in it. So it kind of looks like it's handmade. The Hello Kitty LED lights, the little mirrors with like that little like kind of give you like a little shag rug kind of feel. So it kind of has like that retro vibe to it, which I think those are cute. And those came in a few different shapes and a few different prints and stuff too. And then they have like two the little wall shelves that you can grab, so you can make like a whole little thing with all of these. You can put these together and make like a cute little setup. These mirrors are cute, and they had those viral mirrors too here. So these are little jewelry holders. You can put your rings in there, you can put your necklaces on there, you can put your earrings in, like just a bunch of different stuff with those. This little tray, just a lot of cute, like you can create a whole little look with these Dollar Tree items. The containers, they've had these for a while, those containers and different stuff, but they are super cute. The little mirrors, it's just like I would love to have a whole room set up with it. This one was broken, but they have like the little containers with the different set, the little side trays, the little trinket trays. They have those, the mugs, ton of cute little mugs, and a lot of them they have had for a while, along with throw pillows, blankets, different stuff like that. This little heart stool right here, super cute because it is storage. This I think this is more than the $5.55. A lot of times when this stuff is more than $5.55, they don't mark it. Sometimes they do. Sometimes, a lot of times they don't. It's just like in the end on the side. So a lot of times, if it's not marked, it might be more. But these are those viral mirrors. I've seen somebody paint one of those pink. Thought it was so cute, and it would go so well with the other items that they do have in. So you could, like, mix and match those. You could paint it a different color, or you could like distress it, make it look more antique. You can do whatever you want. These chairs, another cute one. I think the shelf is 20, but those chairs might be five something. The little karaoke microphones, the accessories. I thought this was the suction cup one that you see all over TikTok. I don't think it was like the same as that one though, but still a cute mount that if you were looking, the office accessories, things like that. A lot of these they've had for a while. These are super cute. They're really lightweight, so they're not going to be like for super heavy stuff, but they are super cute. So they're like little tote bags, different things. So you can like you can use those. Be great for the summer too, to use like for the beach and stuff like that, to put your little accessories in. So these are like part of like their Valentine's collection. But a lot of these, like I say, you can use these all season. So some of the cute little things that they had, the friendship bracelets, different things like that. And a lot of these would be cute little decor pieces for parties if you were doing like a party or something like that. And they kind of give like that, if you were doing like a retro party, a girly party, anything. These little quilted tissue holder boxes, I thought those were cute too. The little cover you put over your tissue boxes. And then of course like the bum bum dupes, they have those there at Five Below.